Hi everyone, thanks for joining Smart Consulting Group for our second bio clip on fishbone analysis in lean biomanufacturing. Just so you know, this is a brief overview of what fishbone analysis is and how it can truly benefit you and your research team. This overview is based off of Dr. Nigel J. Smart's publication, Lean Biomanufacturing. So if you'd like to take a deeper dive into learning a bit more about fishbone analysis and getting acquainted with this technique for your company, please do so by checking out that publication. But let's get started. So the demands of the biopharmaceutical industry can prove to be quite trying in today's competitive field. If you're in the industry, you know that it's very, very competitive. Proper research and experimentation can help you and your research team understand the kinks in your methods early on, which will ultimately lead to great success in your research. So tools like fishbone analysis can help yield the most accurate and best results and benefit researchers in the long term within your specific biopharmaceutical process. So we just want to kind of go over first the definition of lean. So if you're familiar with lean biomanufacturing, you already know that lean is most commonly identified in the industry as a holistic and sustainable approach that uses less of everything to produce more. So this was a direct quote taken out of Dr. Nigel J. Smart's publication, Lean Biomanufacturing, but we really felt that that was important for us to kind of define early on because this really is truly the basis of lean biomanufacturing. So the financial burdens of today's economy most certainly play a role in the industry, which is why researchers utilize methods like fishbone analysis to kind of best identify problems early on in their research. So a standard fishbone diagram follows a simple and systematic approach to understanding the potential downfalls of each of the mechanisms in a process. So this can be materials, methods, machinery, measurements, environment, and people. So using fishbone analysis, a team of researchers creates a list of reasons to identify various problems within their findings. So kind of each step of the way, kind of identifying what the problem is and saying why this might be. So when utilizing fishbone analysis, one of the best practices involves creating a simple chart or a template for the responses of the research time. So this is also known in the industry as the 5 whys analysis. So you want to create a list of Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, etc. So next to each item, identify the problem and then describe why that problem existed, as I had mentioned previously. So asking questions while finding out the additional bones in the fish structure, kind of giving way to the name fishbone analysis, this provides a fantastic checks and balances system for the researchers and kind of identifying if each step really makes sense along the way. So again, this is a very short, brief overview of fishbone analysis in lean biomanufacturing. But again, we're a Smart Consulting Group, and if you have any further questions or if you'd like to have further reading into this technique, our case studies, you can refer to Lean Biomanufacturing by, again, Dr. Nigel J. Smart. You can also visit us online at www.smartconsultinggroup.com, and we're also on social media sites, Google+, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So we look forward to hearing from you, and until next time, thanks so much for listening.